a round bottom flask and carefully add fresh rose petals into it. Make sure the petals are clean and loosely packed. Next, add approximately 100 milliliters of distilled water into the flask, just enough to fully immerse the petals. This helps in generating steam and carrying the aromatic compounds. Once everything is ready, begin heating the mixture gradually. Increase the temperature until it reaches around 100 degrees Celsius, allowing the water to boil gently. As the mixture heats up, steam begins to form and passes through the rose petals, extracting their essential oils. This steam, now rich in aromatic compounds, travels through the condenser. Inside the condenser, the hot vapor cools down and converts back into liquid form. This liquid is then collected in a separate container. The collected distillate consists of a mixture of water and a small amount of rose oil. Over time, you may observe a thin layer of oil forming on the surface. This is the extracted rose oil, also known as attar.